Hello friends, this is JD for Weekly Bliss Wednesday. I don't know if you can tell, but my voice is rather gone, so I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. Normally it's a full 15-minute video, but I'm obviously kind of sick. I have a wonderful, lovely sinus infection that I've been fighting for almost 2 weeks now. Finally saw the doctor. So my bliss is that, yay, it will hopefully finally be taken care of. Um, but due to my love for all of you, I'm on here making sure that you get your dose of daily bliss. And the meditation, we are going to go with a sound-based meditation. I'm bringing back one we haven't done in a while, so we'll talk about that a little bit more in a few minutes. But I wanted to announce the winner because I've promised you that we would announce it on the 21st, so here we go. To all of you who entered the contest, thank you, and it is an honor. Some of you did enter via Facebook, and some of you entered via YouTube, and thank you all. Um, the winner is Ruby Bhatia. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, but again, if you are Ruby Bhatia, you can look for a private message from me and we will set up a time for you. I am so excited, and again, thank you all for subscribing and sharing. And some of you, unfortunately, subscribed but you didn't comment on the video, or you shared but you didn't subscribe. So next time we do this, make sure you share and subscribe and put your name on it. If you didn't make at least a comment of a hello, I'm here, I'm watching, I'm listening, hello, I'm here, I'm watching, I'm listening, I love it, or I don't love it, or something, get your name on there. Anyway, thank you all again, and Ruby, I look forward to connecting with you. For everybody else, again, my daily bliss is that I finally got medicine, so I will be taken care of. I tried all the holistic methods, and alas, alack, that did not work. I'm still doing them, but I need a little extra help. You're going to find through this season my allergies and sinuses get the better of me, so hopefully it won't be too many of these kind of short and sweet videos. Again, forgive me, this is why we will not be doing a speaking meditation. Anyway, instead of a card, I got a ladybug today. You'll see on my Instagram if you've subscribed to that. Or if you're on my Facebook, you'll see it there too. But I had a little ladybug on my tire today, actually, as I was on my way to the doctor. How cool. And as you know, ladybugs bring luck, so I'm just going to leave you with that because I can't stop coughing. So I'm wishing all of you the same amount of luck. But ladybugs are also, for me, I look at totem animals as what are their distinguishing features and what makes them unique. And a ladybug is protected. She has her outer shell. But she also has what should be camouflage, and yet it makes her stand out so beautifully. She has wings that she can fly. So I'm going to leave you with the message that you are born to stand out, that you are protected, and that anything is possible. And I think with that daily bliss, my friends, I am sending you love and good health, better health than I am in. And I look forward to your comments. And again, Ruby, I look forward to talking to you. Talk to you all later, and I will have the meditation coming in. You'll probably hear a slight transition from one to the other, so I'm going to say my goodbyes now, but stay tuned for the meditation afterwards. Again, it will be a sound meditation. Love you all. Bye.